Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and last night I made a video about Roy Brewer's TagCut and how to create lines in the center because there's no center line to attach to. So I'm just gonna make a name tag. Center justify it and make it a little bit larger. See what it looks like inside the name tag, and it's perfect. So each one of these blocks is 3 inches across by 1.5 inches. If you go to Snap To and you have Snap To guidelines on, which I don't, go to Snap To guidelines and have it snap to that line. Whoops, never seen that before. Let me just start over with that line. And we know we're 3.5, so let's make our distance, or our distance is 3, so let's make our tag or our nudge 1.5 inches, and then let's make it 3. And then let's Control D and move it over, and Control D, then bring one down from the top and have it snap. These are 1.5 inches wide, so we need to change this to 0.75. Move that one down. Then change this to 1.5, which is the thickness of our tag. Control D, Control D. Now, if you did a whole page of these and you wanted to save this, you could save this just like this. And then your tag, your name tag, your names or your drawing is going to snap to the intersection of those lines because you have Snap To guidelines on. It says right there, intersection. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in and see if we can get a lot of times zooming in doesn't help, but you can see I'm right in the center, and it goes edge and then intersection. So that would be another way to put the lines in there. And like I'm saying, you could save this as a template or just save it as a file, and you could have as many as you want there. I'm going to definitely start using this method right here because the index lines will not cut. And with Mr. Brewer's TagCut, you're going to save a lot of time because these are individual lines and they won't cut but one time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.